This is the Tapo C232 Home Security Wi-Fi camera. In this video, I will show you how to set up the Tapo C232 camera wirelessly. First, plug the adapter into the camera and the camera will turn on. After the camera turns on, insert an SD card into the camera. Now go to your phone. Open the Play Store and install the TP-Link Tapo app. After installing, open the app. If you don't have a TP-Link account, create one. I already have an account, so I'm logging in with that. After logging in, tap the plus sign. Tap Add Device. Tap Indoor Cameras. Now find your camera device and select it. Tap Wireless. Turn on location on your phone. Now connect your phone to the camera. Tap Reskin. Connect your phone to the CCTV camera Wi-Fi. Tap Reskin. Now select your Wi-Fi and enter the Wi-Fi password to connect the CCTV camera to the Wi-Fi. Now the CCTV camera is connecting to the Wi-Fi. Tap Next. The CCTV camera installation is now complete. Now you can control the CCTV camera from your phone.